So last year around this time, specifically on the 26th of June 2023, I received a wonderful email from the Director of Enrollment Management of Syracuse University's Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs, guys. And what was this email about? The email was to tell me that I had been awarded a full GRE application fee waiver code to help me register for the GRE for free to write my GRE. Do you understand how crazy and wonderful this news was to me at that time? I was in extreme jubilation. I was so happy that I couldn't believe it, because normally the GRE fee, even fee reduction, not the full fee waivers, the fee reduction program by the ETS, the official organizers of the GRE, is given to US citizens and permanent residents. And then here I am, an international student from Ghana, where the cost of living is extremely at the ceiling and the living standards are very, very underwhelming. So to afford a $200 plus GRE application fee is really crazy. It takes a lot of commitment, determination, sacrifice, most importantly, sacrifice, to be able to write the GRE from all parts of the world. So getting this scholarship was so wonderful for me. I was really amazed, and thankfully, alhamdulillah, I wanted to share with you guys this amazing news and how you can also get to apply for this amazing fully funded GRE application fee. Not fee reduction, not 50%, not 10%. It's fully funded for. Like, you get a code and you register on the official GRE ETS website, and you are given a full 100% waiver for the GRE. So if you are interested in knowing how I got it, kindly stick along and listen to it. Kindly stick along in this video. Plus, I have another wonderful news, another wonderful opportunity where you can also benefit from the GRE plus the TOEFL plus 6 extra application fee support to pay for your application fees at 6 different US programs. So kindly stick along and listen to this very wonderful and helpful video. Stick along, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys, and thanks for sticking along. If you are new to this channel, my name is Shafiq Abbas, a recently graduated MS student in Applied Statistics from King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Kindly click on the subscription button and the post notification button so that you receive videos of this nature whenever I do post. And don't forget to like and share with your loved ones and friends so that they can also benefit from an educative video of this nature. Okay, so let's get to business. So as I mentioned in the intro, that I was awarded a fully funded GRE by Syracuse University, and believe me not, this was a chance encounter. I was just going through browsing the internet, looking for universities and programs that interest me and that I'd like to apply to. Then I happened to chance on the webpage of Syracuse University, the Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs. They have an economics program relating towards public policy, kind of. So I was going through it, application requirements and stuff, and then I just hopped on this page where it says that they offer GRE application fee waivers for students from underrepresented groups. So it got me intrigued. I went through it and read the requirements, and then I saw that I was eligible for it. So I said, why not apply? And mind you, the GRE waivers were just 5. They just had 5 slots from ETS. So it is kind of a first come, first served basis. So hurry up and rush if you are interested in writing the GRE, but you don't seem to be able to afford it. Rush and register right now. Go and apply for it. And the application is quite simple. They have 2 criteria that requires you to meet. You are required to meet to be able to get this application fee waiver. One is to check your program in the Maxwell School of Citizenship and Global Affairs. Check the program to which you want to apply and see if they require GRE. That's the first requirement. So if the program requires a GRE, you would That's one requirement is fulfilled. And second, you show that you cannot afford the GRE. So these two simple requirements, no need to be a US citizen or permanent resident. Just look at your program and if they need GRE, you qualify. Two, if you are needy, you qualify. So what do they need? They just need you to write between 150, if I remember correctly, 150 and 250 words why you need the GRE fee waiver from them. Explain, try to convince them. It's all about this is a convincing game. Try to convince them that you really need it and you are an underrepresented individual that they want to support. So try to convince them and then upload your transcripts and then your CV. That's all. These were the only things I had to do to apply for this wonderful 100% GRE fee waiver. And I think in about 3 weeks or a month's time, I received this wonderful email stating that I had been awarded. So kindly go to Syracuse University Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs, Public Affairs, the webpage, and check it. Or I'll leave a link to the application form in the description section of this video. I'll leave the link there. Go there and then apply. So as I mentioned earlier, it's just a chance encounter that I got to know about this GRE waiver. So what I would advise you is to really go through the universities that you are interested in and the programs and check. Maybe you might also come across this wonderful opportunity and you might benefit from it just like I did. And you might also share it with your loved ones and friends to also benefit from it. So I advise you to just go through the universities and programs you are interested in, and you might be lucky. You might be the lucky one like I was. And the surprise I had for you is while I was also planning on making this video, I went online to search and I came across another wonderful opportunity that also offers GRE waivers to students. And in addition to the GRE waivers, it also helps students to register for the TOEFL for free. It gives students mentorship to prepare for graduate school application. And also it gives an additional support to apply to 6 programs of your choice for free. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and this opportunity is the Michael Taiwo scholarship. And the Michael Taiwo scholarship too, I think the requirements are not that demanding. You have to have It's a Nigeria-based scholarship, but it encompasses the whole world. If you meet the requirements, of course, you just have to have a 4 out of 5 GPA or its equivalent, depending on where you are from. And also you have to be a recently graduated, or even if you are in your penultimate year, you can also apply for this scholarship. I'll leave the links to these 2 scholarships for you. Mind you, the Michael Taiwo scholarship has a deadline of 29th of June. So you have just 4 or 5 days left to be able to apply for this wonderful scholarship. And the Maxwell School at Syracuse University, the 5 GRE waivers they are granting, it's a first come first served basis. So if you are part of the first 5 people and you qualify based on the application, then you might be granted. And I wish you all the successes you need in this world and in your application session. Kindly don't forget to share this video. Again, I'm reiterating it. This is an opportunity that I think most people are in need of. So please share this video to your loved ones and other people you know or believe they might benefit from. And don't forget to like and give it a thumbs up, and also put in your comments in the comment section below. Until the next video, is bye-bye.